Have you ever tried a dish that looks simple but tastes unexpectedly amazing? Today I'm making a soft, chewy, spicy recipe using a carrot. First take 200 grams of chopped carrot and pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Once cooled, blend it into smooth paste, no water at all. This is the secret to the perfect texture. Transfer the paste into a bowl, add 120 grams of cassava flour. Cassava flour is a great alternative to potato starch or corn flour. And don't use wheat flour. Add a little salt and bring it together into a soft dough. Now shape it however you like, stripes, rounds or funny designs. Get everything ready before the next step. Drop them into boiling water and cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame. Stir gently so they don't stick together. Once done, rinse with cold water to remove the extra stickiness. Heat oil in a kadai, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, grated garlic and Kashmiri red chili powder. Saute until aromatic and vibrant. Add the boiled pieces, toss well and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Soft, spicy and absolutely addictive. If you love this recipe, follow me for more unique and healthy dishes. Happy cooking!